Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting pairing immediately, so power the JBL Tune 510BT on and confirm it has some charge. Low battery can prevent pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth settings screen open, because you'll need to select the device. Now press and hold the headset power button for about 5 seconds until the LED alternates or flashes blue. That puts the headset in pairing mode. Once done, leave the headset visible so your phone can find it quickly. With the headset in pairing mode, scan for devices from your phone's Bluetooth menu. This takes a few seconds, so be patient. When you see JBL Tune 510BT appear, tap it to connect. The phone and headset exchange signals to establish a secure link. If prompted, accept any permission requests for audio or contacts. These let your headset handle media and calls. Once paired, set the headset as the active media device so music and videos route there automatically. You'll hear a confirmation tone from the headphones. After pairing, play a short audio clip to confirm left and right channels, volume levels, and mic behavior. If everything sounds right, the headset will auto-reconnect next time you enable Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth stays on. If pairing fails or audio is distorted, reset the JBL Tune 510BT by powering it off, then holding power for 10 seconds or following the manual reset steps, and try pairing again. This clears cached errors and resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.